Hello, welcome back. It's your girl Hera here at Zee Sports. So this next one that I'm going to show you is our Zee Sports Fiberglass Tape Tennis Bat. That's a long name. Try saying that fast. So this one is made of fiberglass. So you can, as you can see, that it's not wood. It's like some sand and some stuff mixed together. I'm sorry, I don't know the material. I'll have to look it up later. It's very nice. We have two brands, Zee Sports and Matador. This is Zee Sports. They're both the same quality. And Matador makes the Zee Sports bat. So they're very good quality as well as the Matador. And you'll see it has a nice bird on it. This one is one. Zee Sports 1. We also have this in the red, if you like red, like bright red, or like neon red. As you can see, it's very lightweight. Like, because it's not wood, it's like plastic, but a better quality. Got the Zee Sports logo on there. And then the other way, sorry, the back side. Show you nice wide edges and very wide spine. Not prominent spine, it's rounded out. They're all rounded out to protect it from breaking easily. I'll have the cameraman zoom in for us. And it even has our website on it. So definitely check it out on there as well. And no, it does not have a toe guard on it because of course it's plastic. It's not going to stick on there. Okay. And guys, this one is regular price is $69.99. And you can definitely get it in store, online. You can order it. But you know what? Why not just give you the deal of the day for it? I'll give it to you for $25. Shipping is separate fee, but I'll give it to you for $25. Just this very one. You can either get this one or the red one. It's a beautiful, beautiful bat. Very lightweight for all the people who don't want to spend a lot of money. They want to spend under $100. This is a very good bat. $25. So definitely get yours today while supplies last. Call us at 703-485-4800. And definitely like, comment, and click that subscribe button on all our channels. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it, we have it. Zee Sports International. And give us some love and support. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Tell everybody you know. Post it if you can. That would be awesome. And stay tuned. And thank you for watching. And as we say here at Zee Sports, no limits, no boundaries. See you next time.